Hi there everyone, Claire Maxwell here with Embodied Learning Systems. Everything I do is based in the Alexander technique, which really showed me the way out of burnout and into a different, more balanced state where I could be active without causing excess stress and tension. So this is a series of videos for therapists and teachers who are working online. They're quick little self-care things that you can do for yourself between clients. They don't, maybe 4 or 5 minutes. And this particular set of exercises are based on just exploring the 5th cranial nerve, which is a big nerve in your that comes from your brain and brings sensation to the whole face and head, and it controls the muscles of the jaw. So the first 2 videos, the first one was about the jaw, the second one was about the middle layer of the face, and this last one is going to be about the top of the nose, the top of the head, and it brings sensation all the way to the back rim of your skull. So it helps you have a more 3-dimensional sense of your face. And take a look at the illustration just briefly so that you can see those 3 branches. Okay, so you have some idea of the territory that is supplied by this nerve. It has 3 different branches because our face does so many different things and it has so many different sense organs in it that it makes sense that the jaw would have a little independence, the nose would have a little independence, and the eyes and the top of the head also. So it's not a big block. It's an articulate, multifaceted part of your being. So here's what we're going to do to just wake up that last 3rd branch of your trigeminal nerve. So wake up your hands, the backs of your hands and the front of your hands. Just shake them out a little bit, maybe your whole arms. Your whole body is covered with skin. It's the most amazing and sensitive organ. Your skin is actually an organ. So it's got a lot of nerve supply. You don't have to poke it. You don't have to prod it. You don't have to try to relax the muscles underneath it. If you just bring sensation to the surface, it's amazing how the inside of the body responds. So you're going to take your hands and you're going to bring them to the back rim of your skull, kind of in the middle. And you want to stand with your legs kind of wide open. My feet are a little turned out, just comfortably turned out. And you're going to slowly bring your whole hand and shoulder girdle forward, feeling the skin on the top of your skull. And as you do that, you let the weight of your head and your shoulder girdle go forwards, the weight of your pelvis to go back, and you're going to trace down the skin of your forehead and eyebrows and nose until you kind of run into your legs. And then you're going to come slowly back up. And I really want you to feel the skin under your hair. Take the time to actually just feel it. Not trying to relax it, just to feel it. So just to show you close up, the movement I'm doing is just follows that third branch down the forehead, down the eyebrows. You really don't want to touch your upper eyelid, but it's responds quite well to contact at the eyebrow, and the eyelid will kind of relax. And then just the top of your nose. And this articulates your head in its forward nod without it being a big muscular effort. You just let the weight do it, okay? So again, stepping back with your legs just a little bit apart and turned out. Slowly actually feeling the sensation of your hands touching your head as you go forward. And your nose. So I'm kind of touching my nose, and my forearms are, excuse me, resting on my, it's kind of an interesting position, on my thighs. And feeling the sensation of your head touching your hands. So it's a two-way street. It's really amazing. And you can let your gaze come up a little bit too, so you don't have to let your head be stuck in a particular position. So I hope that was a nice little refreshing, both a stretch for the whole body and an easing for your face. It's very comforting. Okay, peace and love. Bye.